Here we go, guys. It's a men's match. And our next match is for the Universal Championship belt. As Mark Graves takes on Jake Wolf for the WWE World Universal Championship belt. Here we go, people. Here we go. Shot by that was me farting, people, sorry. It's turn. Here we go. It's going to be Mark Graves versus Jake Wolf for the WWE Universal Champion. Where we have a new champion, or where Jake Wolf defend his belt. Still hold on to that belt and wait for another day for someone to take him on. Here we go. Something, baby.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Universal Championship.
If he wins this match, he can be Mr. Moneybank and Mr. Universal Champion, Mark Graves. See? Yeah, we have this match, and then we have the Intercontinental Championship main event. This will be... Here he goes.
Here, guys, and I'm willing to bet this will be one we won't soon forget. Totally agree, Michael. When you have two superstars as hungry as these two competing in the ring, you can bet it'll be memorable.
Here we go.
Making his way to the ring from Wichita, Kansas, weighing in at 165 pounds, Mark Graves. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 165 pounds, he
He is
the WWE Universal Champion,
Jake Wolf. I'm gonna start doing that now every match they have.
Stay right where you are, people.
We'll see. Will Mark Graves come out with that belt, or will Jake Wolf hell keep that belt? Here we go, people. Here we go. Ring the bell. Here we go. Okay, that was bad timing. If he would have like straight up went after him, he would have done at least a hair.
Enter the squared
circle
and go one-on-one in a good
old-fashioned
old-fashioned wrestling match. That's right, Byron. I suspect this match will be nothing short of amazing. A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp. Ow, that hurt.
Okay, Jake Wolf now coming out. Okay, Mark Graves now following him. Okay, takes him to the side.
Just look at this man.
Bounce off the announce table. This match is already taken.
Here.
Match outside the ring now.
We're
Okay.
witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe.
Hurricane Rana.
Look on the face of the champ. Looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment and it cost him. He's been gambling quite a bit here tonight. Plenty of reward that goes
Okay, Mark
along
now.
with
Better
being
bring that back inside the ring. There he goes.
But there's a ton of potential risk.
Okay, clothesline by Jake. Now outside the ring again. Mark's bringing it back inside. Okay, belly to belly.
Wow. That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow. His kick connects. Look out. Camel clutch locked in.
Here you go. Does Mark give? No, he does not.
And good thing. That could have been disastrous.
There he goes. Mark Graves now going out the attack on Jake.
Something extra behind that shot.
Think about it. If he wins this match, he can hold that hold the Universal Champion and cast in the briefcase on the WWE Champion if he wanted to.
Dodges that one. Oh, I think this man means business.
The booing now.
Champ in defensive mode here. He's always ready for a fight. They're seeing his fair
Okay,
share
reverse.
of moves in WWE. This championship match is just another day at the office. The amount of punishment
Okay.
absorbed in this match is absolutely insane.
That was a good
This man would have given up and walked away by now. Champ not
Okay.
ready to go on now. But he's the champ for a reason. It's going to take a whole heck of a lot more to stop him here tonight. I wouldn't
What is
call
Jake
it a
doing?
match just yet.
Oh, Jake punches. He's going outside.
Pretty good shape.
Taking this outside the ring. Let's see what happens.
Well done.
Kick. Kick. Okay, never mind. Grabs him. Suplex outside the ring.
It's devastating.
Okay. Going after Mark Graves' head.
The entire WWE locker room here.
It's going to turn into a match, but reverse.
He's fighting from underneath.
You better bring this back inside the ring.
Escapes trouble there. Nearing count out here, Corey. It would be a shame if this ends in a count out.
Come on. Bring it back inside, guys. I'm not playing.
Starting to struggle. And he's heading back in.
Okay, get back out there, Jake. Thank you. That's not how the match is going to end. Not on my watch, it's not.
He's fighting from underneath. The champ with reason to be concerned.
Okay, Jake Wolf now running.
For the champ.
Okay, what is he doing?
I've never
Okay,
counted
Jake,
this guy
okay,
out, but I'll tell
break.
you what, he's not looking so hot right now. He's really going to need to find a way to get back in this thing. It's make or break time here, and he absolutely has to find a way
Ready.
to...
One.
Here.
Reversed by Jake Wolf.
Reverses it.
It's turned into a good match. Clothesline.
Serious pain here. Isn't showing much life here, guys.
Okay, reverse. Like Mark. What is he doing? Oh, he's going to do it. Here comes the signature. Okay, Jake. Okay, that was a good hit.
That has gotta be it. His shoulders are down.
1, 2. Jake Wolf kicks out.
The champ to the top turnbuckle.
Top turnbuckle comes in.
Look at this.
Okay. Oh God, that backfired.
A knockdown drag out Raw, complete with a big stomp. There it is. Well done.
Here comes the AA.
Starting to struggle. I think we know.
Comes the action adjustment. There you go.
Two to the adjustment.
1, 2, 3. Jake Wolf still retains. That was a good match, but Mark Graves got a little cocky and lost. That was a good match. 10 out of 10. Still, showing the replay of Mark. And then the AA put away Mark.
Here's your winner, and still WWE Universal Champion, the Superstar.
A big singles victory here tonight. These guys look like a couple of bosses going at it out there. Great match. Social media has been pushing over this Raw match ever since it began, and now that it's over, I actually anticipated it.
We'll see if congratulations to Jake for retaining.